Hey everybody, Kevin here from KME Creations, and today we're going to talk about transitions. Now, once you already have your PowerPoint, how do you display it? How do you go from slide to slide with ease and not having to really worry about any glitching or anything like that? So what I'm going to show you here is I've got a 3-panel slide. Just a basic slide. Information doesn't really mean anything, and we have just some added things. I added some pictures and some borders around the text, and my little picture up there too, and so we can show you how transitions work. Okay, now right now we have it set to none. We're going to go up here where you see File, Home, your tabs up at the top. We're going to go to Transitions, and Transition is set to none, and that's okay, I guess. But we want to kind of add a little bit of flair to each slide that comes in. So let's go ahead and select the first one, which is Cut. And we're going to have to add this to each slide, as so. And then we're going to go ahead and preview. And we're going to go from the beginning. Alright, there's my beginning slide. And it just cuts right to the next one. No real transition. Okay? That's what Cut does. Well, I don't really like Cut. So let's go to, I don't know. Let's try Wipe. That looks like a cool transition. And again, we have to select it for each individual slide. And then we'll go up here and we'll do a preview, which is you click on Slideshow and then click on either from the current slide or from the beginning. That looks pretty nice. How it just comes right in there. It's not really quick, but we can also change that as well. But this is more of a flow to your PowerPoint by changing those transitions. And right now this is just a 3-slide presentation. If you had, 5, 10, 15, maybe even more slides, it would definitely look a lot more cohesive to have some type of transition in the works for those. I tend to like Wipe, so I'm just going to stay with Wipe for right now. And we can also add a duration. Let's go with a little bit shorter duration. Let's say 0.50. And we're also going to do it on a mouse click. Now, you can also set this up to automatically advance the slide if you know your PowerPoint presentation very well and you've got your timing down exact. I would say do it on click. It's a little bit easier. Then you can take your time for each slide, especially slides with a lot of information. So we're just going to stay on mouse on click. Let's see how our time changed or our duration changed the transition. Wow, that's a little bit quicker. A little bit quicker transition there, but still nice, even flow from one slide to the next. Now, you can always go in here and you can change those settings any way that you want. Obviously, at the top, if you click on the transitions, there's a whole bunch of different ones here. You can dissolve, flash, cover, uncover, shape, random bars, etc. You can add sounds to every time that you change one. I can't add sounds for this video because I'm not quite sure about the copyrights for the sound, so for right now you'll just have to take my word for it. You can add a sound in there, and you can go from there. You can apply it to all right there, so you don't have to do each individual slide. I didn't realize that was there until I actually looked at it. Sorry about that, but it is there. You can affect it to all slides. Now, keep that in mind when you do your transitions or when you're doing your slide presentation. We've learned how to do some really cool effects, really make it pop for us, add some videos and pictures. Now we have our transitions. Thank you for watching and have a good day.